What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we've got a Naruto character. So we got young Sasuke from the original Naruto. So just plain old kid Sasuke. So nice simple one. So we're along the middle line of our page and we're going to start with his right eye. So we're going to curve up and across like so. So we meet a line for his hair just here, so we don't go any further than that. And then his bottom eyelid is just down here. Like so. In there we have a circle for his eye. So you have a choice. You can color it black or you can give it a Sharingan. So I think we'll go Sharingan for this one. So in the center you're going to do a pupil. And then around that we have the commas. So we have, say, one here. So you just do 3 dots. And maybe a third one kind of up here. You can't see the end of that one. And then those spiking lines come off that. Just there. And there. And then there might be, some lines in between, like a connecting circle line just in here. Not much though. So then we will just thicken up his top eyelid a little bit. Just make it a bit darker. Just to make it look like it's more eyelash than just a line. And then he's got a top eyelid line here as well, so it just comes up and then it comes across like so, just under here. So his other eye is eye distance apart, so about an eye width across the nose, just there. So remember, his eye goes under his hair a little bit, so it's a bit wider. So the main thing is you can fit an eye in between his two eyes here. So we go up like so, and then we bring it across the back. So then this one goes a bit longer because it's not underneath the hair. I'll draw that in here. So that's the line for his hair there. But this one goes right nearly to the corner of his eye. So it's a bit longer. And then we just make it darker. Like so. And then his bottom eyelid just underneath that. And then we do that circle for his eye. Go around like so. And we can give it a Sharingan. So a dot in the middle. And then 3 dots around it. 1, 2, and a third up here. And then they have spikes coming out. 1, 2. And some lines just coming around the middle maybe. I've seen it drawn without these middle lines as well. So they're not essential. Like this. And then his eyelid line. So it comes up, follows that top line there again. Same way. And then we can just do the line across for his headband. So it is somewhere. So it's right close to this eyelid line. So it comes across the top of his head this way. Like so. Just across here. And then his eyebrow goes in underneath that. So it's just 2 lines come down here. And then you join them together like that, and they're black. And then the other one, pretty much the same. Like so. They don't have to be identical. Okay, so sides of his hair. So this is going to come down from his headband. His hair is going to come all the way down to here. Like so, and this one's going to come down to there. And then his jaw and chin are in here. So just coming down like so. One jaw, and then this comes around, back up. Like so. And then his nose, it's just 2 nostril lines. So it's just halfway between the eyes and the chin. Same distance from here to here as from here to here. And then his mouth, very simple, just a upturned line like so. Right, so now we can finish his hair. So this piece of hair comes up a bit further, comes up a little bit further on this side as well. And then we have a hair spike coming down here, back up to there. This is like his fringe. And then this comes down, back up. And then some hair spikes over this side as well. So like one here, back up to there. And then this comes down like so. Goes back up then. And then this will come into the top of his headband. So that's like, let's say here. Like so. And then he's got the metal plate, so he has to do another line. So just underneath his hair, curving across, like so. Jump over the hair each time, but if you're using a pencil, which I suggest, you can like draw over this just a straight line or a curving line and rub out inside. So in the top line for his headband, for the metal plate, just here. And then we have the symbol for the leaf. So we're going to go, so we got to do a spiral first. So it just goes around like so. This. And then give it a tail. And now if you want, you can double up this line. So you can go around the outside, around the outside, around the outside. Curve it around. Like this. And then go out for the beak, back in, and then back around again. And then we have a triangle in there. Like so. And then there's probably some bolts and stuff that are holding on the headband just there. A couple here as well. Like so. And now the rest of his hair. So, so this goes, so his collar, we'll do the line for his collar first and then we can do the rest of his hair. Because some goes behind the collar. So this line for his collar is just here, like so. Goes right by his chin, touches it, and goes up like this, around the back of his head a little bit. This one goes around a little bit as well. And then his hair comes out from there. So we have a spike here, this comes up like so. This comes down. Up then. So we're going to go right up near the top of his head. Like that. We do that over this side. All the way up. This one now goes up to a spike all the way at the top of his head. Just here. Spike down. And then these spikes all stick off this way. So, like this. Another one. Another one. And then a couple just down here. Like so. And this line for his shadow of his hair, I think, is just in here. And then his neck, coming down from his jaw, going into his collar. And then we can see a couple more pieces of hair just there. Another piece of hair here. And that's his head done. So the collar then comes down this way. Both sides. Like so. And then his shoulder comes off this way with a little bump. And then comes off and down and off my page there. Bump here as well. Off and down. Off my page. And then some fold lines for his clothing. Just here. Like so. And that is how to draw young Sasuke from Naruto. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.